Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
I was not even aware.
I was not even aware. Sentence 2.
He didn't even tell me.
He didn't even tell me. Sentence 3.
Finally he won.
Finally he won. Sentence 4.
She used to be fat.
She used to be fat.